Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot Mydfir made with fischertechnik, based on robo interface programmed in Python with line follower, 2 active sonars and color recognition, although that has been disabled for now. Last time I managed to get the line following routine back into action, but also recently the values that have been read needed to be adapted and adapted and adapted again. So before doing anything else, I have to test some. And being positioned on the line, I'm very curious if this will work at all again, apart from the very nice results last time. So let's start the program. And that is the sign that sonar was active somehow. So let's see how it works. Not really. So I'm taking it and put it right here. So, conclusion may be that when it has a deviation, or not really deviation, a rerouting from the left side of the track, let's call it that way, detour, whatever, then it manages to recover itself. The other way around doesn't work so much, and now it goes wrong at all, completely. But let's see whatever happens. And it manages to recover itself again. But again, only from the left side of the track. And there it goes again, losing the track. So my special attention is for now the right side of the track. The right hand side of the track. That needs to be improved. Although this also needs improvement. Although it has never been an excellent result. So with this result, I have to look at the track again. Left hand side is the best at the moment, with correction and all. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, else if, and this is one thing, but the other thing is this one. This is both left side of the track, and once again it is 3 and 4, but 2 and 1. And this is over the line. So how can we get this working? then you would say that these would be 1 and that this will be 0. Question is that indeed still the case? Yeah, it is. So then the question is, why is the right side of the track not responding correctly? Let me take a look at the sensors, and 3 and 4 with 3 in the middle, and 2 and 1 with 1 in the middle. So in that respect, indeed, the right side of the track then 2 will indeed be 0. And the rest will be 1. So that theory is correct. And if all is 1, then it's done. But that's very clear here as well. So all I can do is test once again. Let's see how it behaves. And this doesn't make sense because it's on the track. Auto-correcting itself. And there it goes. Totally off track. Making the circle you've watched before. You've witnessed before. Crossing the line and making another circle. And hopefully now correcting itself. No, yet another one, a third one. So this looks like it is missing something entirely. Okay, this is worthy of an intervention, unfortunately. This is no good. And I haven't stopped the software, so it's still driving its rounds on that same spot. So manual intervention. And let's see how it runs this way. There it goes. So, no, it's not perfect yet. Now it should correct. No, it does not. So, let's do it this way. And let's do it this way. And there it goes. So maybe it's time to do some sonar, but too far away I think, because the sonar has to be taken care of as well. No response at all, and it should respond pretty quickly. So manual intervention once again. Right here. Sonar. It responds to the sonar, although this is not the response I want. Yeah, right. So why does it behave now like this? No, not really. Does it autocorrect? Yes, it still does. Okay. Sonar still works. Well, detection works. It holds, so that is in itself correct. So, what does it do? Full stop. This says, yeah, full stop, because it doesn't see a line. And there it goes again. Sonar, and it loses track. Once again, sonar, and it loses track. Not quite as I envision. So what's wrong? Let's have a look. Ah, there it goes again, losing track. Alright, so it's time to let the line following for what it is for now. And let's go look at the sonar. This is this is color recognition, this is sonar. So if sonar is smaller than 5 on both ends, and keep in mind one sonar is now off, so I have to deal with that later. Then all lamps are 0, and then if it is smaller than 5, red, well, red is obviously shown, but why doesn't it respond? Why doesn't it respond at all? Motor 1, and it goes slowly, speed 1, here also speed 1. What do I see, or do I see anything? Yeah, it has not been cancelled out, not commented in any way. Alright, then oh, there's another thing, of course, because here I write everything to the data file, but here I do not. Here I do sonar. Hold on, so I can track it. Yes, so S1, I have to look for S1, which isn't there. Skipping. Ah, here it is. S1, 19. Is there another one? 140. 139. 11. Okay, let's go back in time. 4 and 133. So there is definitely recognition, but since these two are directly after one another, it makes no sense, not really sense. Smaller than 5, yeah, this is it, but directly then it's 133. So that is odd. 139, that's only one occurrence. 144, also one occurrence. Pattern not found. Okay, enter file. So let's call back. 141, 39, 33, 4, 11, nothing. 28. Hold on, what was this? 28, 28. Okay, a few times 28 then. 11, 19, 28. A few times 28, I think. Anyway, this is not quite the response I want. It senses it just once in a while. I didn't test it thoroughly, of course, but let's enable the rest. So yes, here S1, here is S2 written. That's good. So the only thing I should do right now is test everything with both sonars and see whatever happens in the data file. Let's do that. But these values make no sense. So to make full use of the sonar, I have to reinsert these two connectors. In either way, that is one, that is two. Now they're both working again, or should be working again. And yeah, let's do it this way. Start the code. There goes. Well, it clearly works again, considering the blue light. But that's all there is to say. Red works, but it should drive backwards. And that it doesn't do. So from here it should respond as well. It is just an if statement telling, okay, this one goes right, that one goes left. Meaning one drives backwards, the other one, what does it do anyway? Yeah, motor 1 goes left, motor 3 goes right. And the other one, oh, that's a bit odd, they do both the same thing. So yeah, okay. They just drive backwards. So if one goes that way, the other one goes that way too. So let's verify. How are they connected anyway? That's a very good question. Yes, they are connected in exactly the same way. So one has to go left and the other one has to go right. That is correct. So okay, let it go. Trying. It does not detect. It does not detect. Okay, on track. What does it do? Nothing. What does it do here? Nothing. Interrupt program. Restart. There is no response at all. Neither is here. Okay. Well, not okay actually. Let me have a quick look in the data again. Looking for S1 and S2. Not found. Okay, S2. Pattern not found. That is not good. Well, actually it was shown because the light is not burning, but why isn't the sonar working? Good question. So, point is light didn't respond, which gives thought to does the sonar work? Well, once again, S1 pattern not found, and S2 exactly the same. Sonar did not work at all. So, new chance. Starting, and no response at all. So now I touch it to position it better on the track. And now S2 works. So did it do it? Not found. S2. Yes. Not found. Earlier. Hold on. Earlier. Not found. So there is only one occurrence of S2, which is the blue sonar, which is on a distance of 97 centimeters. And then keep in mind that I held my hand right in front of it. Distance 2 centimeters, 2 to 4 centimeters, not 97. Apart from that, I held my hand in front of the sonar while it was driving over the line, and then it went off the line. As you can see here, it's driving over the line, and here it goes off the line and it senses it. Makes no sense. And here it says, okay, I'm from the line. I lost the track. This makes no sense. Well, this does, but this doesn't. Ouch. So, where to go from here? That's actually a pretty good question, and I have no idea, to be honest. If the sonar works this bad, what uses it? And previously, using one sensor and the rest, it worked pretty neat. So what is the difference? Well, one mystery is that all the misbehavior started suddenly after working correct for years. Is that degeneration of the sensors? Could be. Not likely though. Let me just start again. No, not that one. Not data, but program. No sensing, not sensing the sonar at all. And it drives pretty slowly, so the battery is going off. And there it goes again. It goes slower and slower, battery is gone. Let me just replace it. It may be that that is the culprit right now, although I'm not quite sure. Apart from that, yeah, let's keep it this way. Almost out of time. So line following works, sonar not so much. And I stopped the software. Thank you for watching. What did I do? Well, test the line following, testing the right hand side tracking, which should be working. Reconnecting the second sonar again, testing it and finding very odd values. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it thumbs up. Leave a comment. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter, retweet and like, give a comment. Follow me on Instagram and like and give a comment. Very much appreciated. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. It takes time and effort to make them. Or you can become a patron and have your name mentioned depending on your pledge. More information on both donating and becoming a patron on my website. And this is going to be continued. Bye bye.